Good evening everyone, this is Karan Kumar Das from Electrical Engineering Department from Temple City Institute of Technology and Engineering. So in today's introduction class we are going to discuss about the new syllabus, that is new structure given by BPUT, and it is being introduced on 14th of August 2020, and as per the direction of university and college administration we are going to conduct the online classes from very shortly, and that's why we have created one WhatsApp channel, and through that group we will share all the information about the online classes and the schedule and the online lecture videos and the URL. So this is our first video. We are in this video we are going to introduce the new syllabus for 5th semester, that is for the third year 5th semester engineering students. So basically in your syllabus BPUT has given two syllabus for EE and EEE, and the similarities we are finding here the subjects. If you'll go for the EE branch, so this is the syllabus for the EE branch. In this structure we are you will find 6 theory papers and 4 practical papers, whereas the first three theory papers, serial number 1, 2 and 3, which is compulsory, and 4 and 5 is the elective papers are there. We can select any one paper from these two, and for the sixth one is the universal human values, which is not having any credit, so it is not having any internal evaluation or external exam. So in a semester exam you will not find any exam for this paper, that is your universal human values. So if you will talk about all other papers, all are having same credit, that is credit is 3 and class hour is also 3. So weekly you will find 3 to 4 classes for each and every subjects. So the first paper is the electrical power transmission distribution, second one is the control system, and third one is the electrical machine 2, which is compulsory paper, and these three papers are also having 3 consecutive labs. So first one for the electrical power transmission distribution we are finding one lab is here, electrical power transmission and distribution lab. Second one is the control and instrumentation lab, which is coming under the control system. Third one is the electrical machine 2 lab, which is coming under electrical machine 2 theory. Okay, next if we'll talk about the fourth option, that is your evaluation of summer internship. So this paper or this in this subject what you have to do, you have to go for the summer internship at the last step, end of the session, and after the completion of the summer internship you will get some score. Okay, and that mark will be sent to BPUT, that is UMS portal. Next one, if you'll go for the elective papers, so first three papers are the compulsory paper, but if you think about the elective paper in the fourth option, that is electrical machine design, electrical energy conversion and auditing. Next one is the industrial process control. So in fourth option we have 3 electives, but department has selected the third option, that is industrial process control and dynamics, because it is common to EE as well as EEE. And one more thing we want to say here, why you have selected this paper, because electrical machine design, it is quite similar with the electrical machine 1, machine 2, and electrical energy conversion and auditing, it is also quite similar with machine. So that's why we have selected a new paper, that is your industrial process control and dynamics. If you go for the fifth option, that is your electrical drives, renewable power generating system and the sensor and transducer. So out of these 3 elective, department has selected this option, that is your electrical drives. So these 3 papers are the compulsory papers, control system, EPTD machine 2, and in the fourth option we have selected industrial process control and dynamics, and in fifth option we have selected electrical drives. And this paper, whether it is available in the syllabus, the structure is there, the detailed syllabus is also given down the line, but as it is not having any credit, so no external examination is there, and these are the labs. The last one is not the lab, it is the external evaluation. So you have to go for the internship, and depending upon your response and depending upon the experience you have gained from that industry, department will send the mark. So if we'll go to the down the line, this is the detailed structure, that is transmission distribution, EPTD. Next one is the control system. So each and every syllabus, each and every paper is having 5 modules, and each module is having some textbook reference. And this time BPUT has introduced one new thing, that is your digital learning resources. This part, previously this part was not there in the syllabus, but for this COVID pandemic situation, BPUT has introduced this new thing which is coming into the picture now. So what is the use of this one? So you just click on this one. If you click on this link, then you will redirect to the site and you will get all the information which is related to this particular paper. So these are the link for the reference books or your textbook. You will find these books digitally. Again, so for the control system, again we are also getting the same reference here. And if you'll go for the further for machine 2, you get another link here, this one. Okay, so this is the link. Next, so in the elective we have selected special process control and dynamics, but here no reference books are given, only textbooks are given, which is available at lab at library. Next one is the electrical drives. Here one reference is given, that is fundamental of electric drives. Okay, next, if we'll go for the now, we should switch to lab session. This is the lab session. The first lab is the electrical power transmission and distribution lab. In this lab 1 to 9 experiments are there, and the virtual link is there. That means in this COVID pandemic situations, as the students are not coming to the college, so they can also conduct the lab virtually. So BPUT has liaison with other institutions or other lab facilities, and if you click on this link, then you will directly redirect to the site and you will get the information from that particular site. So it is the virtual lab techniques, so you will get the information, right? Okay, similarly if you go for the triple branch, so again the same papers are coming: EPTD, control system, electrical machine, EPTD, control system, electrical machines, and industrial process control and dynamics. Instead of the fundamental of communications and advanced digital electronics, we have selected industrial process control because it is quite easier. And next one is the electric drives, that is a common paper. And next, universal human values, it is not a common paper, it is no credit paper, so that's why no need to go through this. Next one is the lab. In the lab session we have EPTD lab, we have control and instrumentation lab, we have machine lab, we have again one evaluation of seminar summer internship. Okay, so in both the syllabus we will get the same credit. For all theory papers it is having 3 credits, and for all practical paper it is having 2 credits, whereas the summer internship is having only 1 credit. So as there are 5 theory papers, so including these 5 theory papers we will get the credit value of 15, 5 into 3 15, and for this practical session we will get the credit value of 7. Okay, so the total credit value is your 22. You can find the total credit value is 22, for theory 15, for practical it is 7. So this is all about your syllabus. And if you'll go to the get the detailed syllabus structure, and you will find the similarities in electrical and electronics engineering. That means your double E and triple E is also having the similarities. So there is no change in the module structure or a single line is not changed. Everything is same for both for double E and triple E, for control system also, for machine also, and for industrial process control and dynamics. Again, you will go for the third, fourth, fifth paper, that is your electrical drives also, you will get the same syllabus. Next one, if you go for the practical session, again you are also getting the same types of experiments. For electrical power transmission distribution, we are getting 1 to 9 experiments. And next, if you go to the down the line, it is a control and instrumentation lab. We are also getting 1 to 7 in group A and 1 to 5 in group 2 or group B. So this is also similar with the double E branch. And for electrical machine lab 2, we are also getting 1 to 12 experiments. So these are the virtual lab link. So we have already shared the detailed lab structure, detailed syllabus through the WhatsApp group. You just download the WhatsApp, download the PDF, and if you click on these links, you will redirect to the system. Now it is not possible to run this system due to some technical error. We are not able to. Okay, it is not working. But if you download the PDF, you will get the all the detailed virtual lab information, which will redirect to another site, and will get the detailed lab practices. So one thing you have to do after completing the virtual lab, you have to submit the record, and in digital mode. That means what you have learned, you should submit the total lab statement through your digital form. Okay, so this is all about your syllabus structure for double E and triple E for 5th semester. So next day we'll again meet with another new interactive session, and few days you have to wait for new subjects or new subject detail class. And after 2 to 3 days you will get the online class schedule, and after that your online class will be started. Okay, thank you.